UNICEF, United Nations Children Fund, has mentioned that 1.57 billion students across the world, 190 countries, are suffering with their studies due to this coronavirus lockdown and closures of school colleges. Even HRD of India has mentioned that schools and colleges are likely to be opened by September 2020. To see this pandemic situation, to see this coronavirus lockdown, it's not possible to do traveling, and even social distancing is very important. To maintain this all, it has been realized that there is a need to have online classes and digitalization in education, because students rather suffer with everything, but they must not suffer with education. That's why Indian has thought to start the education online. But while taking the online classes, nobody thought what are the problems going to occur and going to come across. So the problems are so many said by teachers, professors and students, and mentioned also in Indian Express. So let's start and understand what are these problem solution and what is the need of online education. Namaste, I am observational speaker Pooja Gupta. Welcomes you all on your favorite channel, Observational Facts, with new update, need of online education. Let's discuss what are the problems that are being faced by teachers, professors and students in India about online classes. A very first problem is class strength. One of teacher has mentioned of India that there are so many students to have online classes. Around 50 to 60 strength of a student is not possible to have on online, and it's not possible to deal with all students at the same time on one video. So it's really very hard. Second problem is time clashing. There are many students who belong from middle class family, and that's why they have not so many equipments. They have a single equipment and two brothers sisters are learning from that same equipment. But if their classes are on same time, so there is a time clashing and it's very hard for them to manage with that same equipment. Third problem is about 80% of students are under the economical weaker section. That's why they are unable to control on their studies, and it has been mentioned in Indian Express in the present time about this problem of students. Fourth problem is about students don't complete the homework and they don't attend the regular classes. It is not because of their problem, it is because there is a problem of equipment, there is a problem of availability of internet, and there is so many problems that are stopping them to take class regularly and attend the class regularly. It is also one of the problems that has been mentioned by a teacher of India. So now fifth problem is about dealing with all type of students at the same time. Some students are average, some students are medium, some students are high. So to deal with all types of students at same time is getting the problem of teacher and students as well. Sixth problem that has been mentioned by one of teacher of India about students, that students are not getting interest in online classes because of the so many problems and background problem. They are not having the interest in online classes and they are just taking it very casual. Seventh problem is about students are unable to use softwares that are used online, such as video conferencing, chat, WhatsApp group and so many other resources that are being used to teach students are getting the problematic situation for all these students. They are unable to understand these things, and sometimes they misunderstand the conversation and conferencing as well. So it's very hard for the students and teacher to deal with this type of problem. Even the next problem is about engaging an interactive session. It is missing somewhere. When it was a traditional class, so that was very easy to have engagement, communication, interaction with students, with teachers, and that is missing somewhere in online class. Means social skills, basic skills, critical thinking, motivation, they are not possible in online classes, and this is also the problem of one of professor that has been mentioned in the Indian Express all. So now the next problem, that is really biggest problem, is lack of technological skills and training. All teachers, professor and students of India are habitual of having traditional class, and it is very new for all to have online class. That's why they both are suffering with their studies, and they all are telling that it is not easy to have online class because of lack of training of online technology and all these things. These were the problems. Now let's discuss the solutions. What can be solution to come out from this problem, because we cannot ignore the need of online class at this present time. Money is many things but not everything. Similarly, online means many things but not everything. There is need to set the parameter to make the online class successful. Only then it can be fruitful for both teachers, professor and also students. So let's discuss these parameters. First thing is division of groups. Types of students must be divided by teachers so that the class strength can be small and every type of students can be dealt properly according to their understanding power, according to their willing power to understand and to learn. So the second thing is equipment problem. Yes, there is an equipment problem in India a lot with middle class students, middle class families. So there must be some planning about providing the equipments to the students so that their learning cannot stop because of only the equipments should be provided there. Third thing is actively participation. Both teachers and students must be ready to take participation actively, and it is only possible if there is equipment available and there is a division of group is also available. So automatically there will be interest of learning something and regular classes will be taken by students. They will be completing homework as well. The third thing is accountability. There is need to set the accountability for each students and teachers as well, because if there is no accountability, no responsibility of taking class regularly, doing work properly, so it is not going to be fruitful and it is going to be waste on. Eliminate distraction. In the traditional class there were so many distractions like traffic problem, rain problem, noise problem in the class. That so many distractions were there. Similarly, in online class also there are some distraction like your television, cell phone, family member, noise from background. These are the problems, but it is not going to be any much more if you really eliminate these distractions, and you can only eliminate these distractions to make the online class successful. The next thing is time management. It is very important to have online class with proper time management. When should be discussion, when should be chat, when should be motivation, and when should be talked about social skills, when should be talked about some basic skills, critical thinking. So there must be the proper time management about each things and each subjects. Next is leverage your network. Means engagement and interaction is also possible. Both are possible in online class if there is a proper focus on video conferencing, WhatsApp chat and discussion boards. These can use properly to have these all motivation, social skills, critical thinking, basic skills, all types of skills if taken properly. So these were the solution about the online classes and parameters about that. Some are very important parameters to set is difference between subject. All courses and subjects cannot be taught online, like some physical, chemistry, like science students, engineering students, some other type of students who need online classes but they need practical class too. So there must be discussion about division of some subjects and courses. Secondly, there must be division of also the theoretical class and practical class so that there can be proper learning about all the things. These all things if kept in mind, definitely online classes are going to be successful and fruitful for everyone. And by the way, we cannot ignore this online class. It is a need at this present time and for also forever in future as well. So let's understand this need of digitalization, need of online class, and focus on the it was very beneficial video to understand about online classes need, its problem, solution, and I hope that you got every points about this topic. I will see you in the next video very soon. For the upcoming video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.